Into this video, I will show you on how to block spam comments, unwanted hashtag, and unrelevant URL link by your viewers on your YouTube channel. How can you block some of these comments without any stress? Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you have YouTube Studio app on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. So if you are using Android phone, go ahead and make sure you go to your Play Store right here. Go ahead and click on your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Search. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Search App and Game and type in YouTube Studio. Hit on Search, and it's going to take you right here. So at the time of making this video, 100 million plus are using this app to do some settings and upload on their channel. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you download and install it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it right here. So you can see it is a YouTube Studio by Google LLC. Next thing you want to do after a successful download, go ahead and click on open right here. So if you are opening it for the very first time, it will ask you to log in with your YouTube channel username and password. After a successful login, and the next thing you want to do is to see important settings you need to turn on right now in order to block spam comment, spam hashtag, spam URL link, as the case may be on your video. So for that, go ahead and click on this particular profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on content control. The next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and make sure you turn on this button right here. You are done. With that, if anybody wants to post with hashtag or URL link or a relevant comment in your video, it's going to be on hold until you give an approval. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about YouTube channel settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.